In this video we are going to talk about the increase of the thickness in the surgery of penis augmentation. You know that we always perform this at the same time as the enlargement surgery. For this procedure we are going to remove fat from your body. We do it with really small syringes in order not to damage the stem cells of your fat. We are going to remove all the fat, we throw it away. We don't want the fat for anything, because if we use fat inside the body of your penis, there's going to be a lot of resorption and we don't want it. So we only take the stem cells. These totipotential or pluripotential stem cells are the ones we are going to use to increase the thickness. There's a really important thing. We are not going to use them inside your skin, but inside the fascias of your penis. Why? Because if not, when you touch your penis, you feel that it's not as hard as before the surgery. And we want you to feel your penis exactly the same, but bigger as before the surgery. We usually arrive to a gain of between 2 and 3 centimeters of diameter, and the recovery of the procedure is very easy. You can fly directly back to Germany the day after of the surgery, and you only need to make some small procedures that we're going to explain you after the surgery.